Real-time learning is very practical based.
Students are exposed to all disciplines that comprise of STEM, so the science, the technology, the engineering and the maths.
Something you wouldn't normally learn from schools.
They learn through doing, which is the best way kids learn.
Without actually exposing young people to industry, you really can't make the difference you need to make in education that prepares for that sustainable future.
We've got such a willingness from undergrads to get involved in inspiring the next generation of engineers.
I'm able to help them with the technical side of things where the teacher wouldn't have expertise in.
Learning how to code, learning about 3D design.
I think our young people are looking at this undergraduate and thinking, wow, that could be us in a few years' time.
We are actually making a difference.
This is not just about learning STEM skills, it's also about how you collaborate, how you work in teams, how you present.
They're the employees of the future, they're the workforce of the future. We need to invest there.